right, we exit out of the elevator. We come in our brand new hallway and we go straight to our room to check it out. Hydration stations on each floor. Bring your own bottle or buy it downstairs. And let's check out the room. The streets of DC out there, and we back up and we see that this window is full length. It's very tall. You can stand in there. We keep on backing up. We have a table right here as well as a big TV, a nice design behind the TV as well. We look at the desk and we have some treats. This is actually the second day the hotel's been open, so they have a little treat for us to come welcome us to the doors. We have a charging pad right there on the table. We're gonna come back and see our big windows again, and then we have our king size bed, a leather headboard behind. We have tables on both sides. Power outlets are in the, whatever you call this, the panel. Some lighting as well. More seating right here. This might swivel around. Let's see. Yes, it does swivel around. A nice place for you to sit. We'll turn a little bit more and we'll see that there is a chair right under the television. Come see the rest of the room. We have some different flooring from the carpet to the hard. We have a table right here with our cool water kettle, coffee and tea. There's a safe, a refrigerator, and a place where you can do your makeup, a mirror section. The closet is open concept. Right under, I guess that's the steamer instead of an iron. We'll look at the front door. Let's see if there's a maximum room rate. This room can go up to $1,500 for a night. Looks like all of the rooms, the max rate can be $1,500, no matter what the room is. And finally, we'll come step into our bathroom. We do have a sliding mirror door to close it off. We'll come in, we'll see our toilet, and then here's our sink with lights all around. The products are from this brand right there, from Brooklyn. We got brass for our knobs. Shower right here. Cool design. We have our controls on the opposite side, which I do like. And then our shower head looks like that. And this is the brand new room, folks.